Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this question together. We have 5 to the power of x multiplied by 25 to the power of x is equal to 50. Find the value of x. Okay, let's jump right into the video. So we have 5 to the power of x multiplied by 25 to the power of x is equal to 50. Find x. Alright, so we have 5x, 5 multiplied by 25 can be written as 5 squared. Okay, x is equal to 50, excuse me. Then here we have 5x multiplied by 5. This time this you can write it as 2x is equal to 50. Okay, now we have a rule where you have something like am multiplied by a. And when you have number of in this way, you can say this is equal to am plus you add their bases because the powers are equal. Okay, now because we have this because we have the base to be equal, we can add the powers up. So we have 5x plus 2x is equal to 50. Okay, now becomes 5 plus, we have 3x here, x plus 2x is 3x is equal to 15. Okay, now let's take log of both sides. Okay, so that means we have apply log here. All right, now we can say that when you have log a to the power of x, you can, it's the same thing as saying x log a. So we're going to be applying this here. So we are now going to take this here and say 3x log 5. Okay, that's equal to log 50. All right, now let's divide both sides by what? Log 5. Okay, now if you divide both sides by log 5, we have that 3x log 5 is equal to log 50. Divide here by log 5, divide here by log 5. Log 5 log 5, we have what? 3x is equal to log 50 over log 5. Okay, now we can rewrite this as 5 times 10. So let's do that. We have 3x is equal to log 5 multiplied by 10 all over log 5. We have a rule where you have something like and I think we've been through that. We have log am multiplied by, or let's say we have log 2 multiplied by 3, same thing as log 2 plus log 3. Okay, so let's do that. We have 3x is equal to log 5 plus log 10 all over log 5. Now for this numerator, for the denominator of log 5, it applies to both this part of log 5 and log 10. So we can say 3x is equal to log 5 over log 5 plus log 10 over log 5. Okay, so this can cancel this, we have 1. Now we have 3x is equal to 1 plus log 10 over log 5. Now we can also say rewrite this 10 as what? 5 times 2. So we have 3x is equal to 1 plus log 5 multiplied by 2 all over log 5. So 3x is equal to 1. This becomes log 5 plus log 2. Log 5 plus log 2 over log 5. Like I said before, this denominator covers for both here and here. So we have 3x is equal to 1 plus log 5 over log 5 plus log 2 over log 5. This here, 1. So you have 3x is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 plus log 2 over log 5. So here we're going to be doing a change of base here. We have 3x is equal to 2 plus log 2 base 5. Okay, now we are looking for the value of x, so we have to divide by 3. We're looking divide all through by 3. Now we have 3x over 3 is equal to 2 plus log 2 base 5 over 3. Okay, 3 here, 3. So x becomes equal to 2 plus log 2 base 5 all over 3. So this is the value of x. Bye bye. Do well to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.